Okay, so I've got a long position here in the YM, and I noticed I had my mic off, and I'm not sure how long I had it off for. So the whole video could be messed up, I suppose. But just in case it is, I made a trade on the ES for 5,168. We can go look at that. Here is the ES, made 5,168 on it today. That's the only thing that I was able to get, and now I'm in the YM. I'm in the YM right here long, and still just waiting. But yeah, I noticed that my mic was red, and it means it's off, so I don't know how long it was off for. It could have been off the whole entire video. So, but you didn't miss much because I didn't do much except for take the ES. So anyway, there's not much going on today. It's pretty dead today, except for the ES and the YM are moving pretty good, but everything else, all stocks and everything, not moving much at all. Kind of like Monday and Tuesday. Okay, YM starting to make a move up here, just a little bit. Looking for a much larger move. Okay, I've gotten out of the long position on the YM. I'm down $332 on it right now. Looking to re-enter. Going to use another entry. I'll be back. We're still looking for a signal here on the YM. Looking for an entry. Okay, I've been waiting here for a long time now to get an entry. It's just not giving me one. The market's not active enough. And there's nothing else moving. So I'm all done for today. 5,168 on the ES and minus 332 on the YM. I'm all done. Market's not going anywhere. It really needs to pick up. So anyway, done for today. I'll be back tomorrow. But tomorrow's going to be Friday. Most likely it'll be dead. So I probably am not going to trade tomorrow. But I will be here just in case something does come around. Something good to trade, I'll be here. But otherwise, most likely, I won't be trading. So anyway, I'll be back either tomorrow or next week. As always, to your trading success from Trader X at Day Trading the Chart. Okay, well, it has started moving, so I have taken a short position. I've got a easy entry to go short. This is actually going to be for a big trade. So it's going to go down quite a bit here. And I have got 20 contracts short. So going to make a big trade here. I'll come back. Okay, YM moving down here. I'm ahead right now, 1900 on it. I'm looking for it to come down quite a bit more. Let me see here. Let's take a look at the chart a little bit better. Okay, this is for the whole day. It gapped up. It's gone up. It's rolled over. It's coming down. I got a signal big trade to go short. I'm just trying to figure out what my exit should be about. I would say it should come down to at least 26,990. Something like that. Perhaps a bit more, but I think it should come down to about there. So I'm looking about there for the exit, possibly more than that. Okay, YM continuing to come down here. Got like 4,000 into it right now. I still think it's going to come down a bit more. Still looking for a little bit more on this one. Okay, I think it's about to capitulate here. 4,900, 5,000. Getting ready to get out. 52. A little bit more. 53. Okay. Alright, I'm out. I got 48.86 on it. Okay, so I got 48.86 on the YM today, and I got 51.68 on the ES today. So I'm all done now. And so you see, sometimes we're actually, quite often, well, actually not that quite often, but if stocks aren't moving, maybe the markets are moving. Maybe the ES or the YM is moving. On Monday and Tuesday, it wasn't like that. There was no stocks, and even the YM and ES were not moving either. But today, really, the stocks are not moving much at all. But the markets are. The ES and the YM. I've done really well on both of them today. And you can trade the ES and the YM using my system. Works perfect. However, if it's going sideways, you're not going to be able to do anything. And that's with any system, really. But, you really don't want to get caught trading the ES and the YM if they're going sideways. I got great news for you, though. I teach you how to know. My system will absolutely positively teach you how to measure what it's good for. And then you can see if it's working or not. Of course, you can also look at the chart, but sometimes the chart can be deceiving in the sense that you actually need to look and measure. How many ticks are we talking about here? From here to here, how many ticks? From here to here, how many ticks? From here to here, how many ticks? You need to measure it, tick for tick. Sometimes you're going to find it's a whole bunch of ticks. Sometimes you're going to find, you look at it, it looks like it's really moving, but it's really not when you measure it. When you measure it, you see, oh, it's not moving that many ticks at all. But it looked like it was. That's why you measure it. Exactly how many ticks. And then you're going to be able to, I will open up your eyes in ways you do not realize and cannot imagine how to trade by the chart and do it with incredible, amazing accuracy. Anyway, I am going to get going, and I will be back on Friday, but there's a good chance I won't be trading on Friday unless the market's moving good, the ES or the YM, or I find a good stock moving. Something could gap up really big, gap down really big, anything at all could happen like that. And of course, I would love to jump in trading. Otherwise, I won't trade on Friday because it has a tendency to get real choppy, real slow, and real tight, especially if the week has been choppy and tight. It has been. So, caution is warranted on Fridays. I'm going to come out, check out the market. If it's good, I'm going to jump in. If not, I'm going to not trade. So anyway, I will either see you on Friday or I will see you on Monday. To your trading success from Trader X at Day Trading the Chart.